What if this product picture could move like this? No shoot, no editor, no budget, just one tool and 60 seconds. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this step by step. But before I do, you need to understand why this matters. Because if you're still testing products the way most people are in today's era, you're losing weeks of time and hundreds of dollars before you even know if a product works. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you're going to look at product testing completely differently. So here's the first thing. Is dropshipping still worth it in 2026? Let me give you a real answer. The dropshipping market is still growing really fast. Hundreds of millions now projected to pass $1 trillion in the next few years. So yes, it definitely works. But here's a part most people are not saying. Most beginners are failing. Margins are tight, competition is a lot higher, and the failure rate is still extremely high. Not because the model doesn't work, but because most people never build a real testing system. The people winning right now are not guessing products. They're testing fast and making decisions based on data. That's the difference. Here's the second thing. What has actually changed? Almost everything about running a store has gotten faster and cheaper. Product research is easier. Fulfillment is easier. Even customer service is easier as well. And now making video ads is faster than ever before. You can take a product link or a few supplier pictures and turn them into actual video ads in just minutes. No camera, no editing, no waiting, but most people haven't adjusted. They're still doing this the old way. They're still ordering samples before testing, and that used to make sense. But now it's just slowing you down. Here's the third thing, where the money is actually coming from. If you want to be profitable right now, it comes down to just three things. The first one is just finding products, testing them fast, and running ads that are well organized, and that's it. And here's where most people lose. They don't test enough. Right now, platforms like Meta and TikTok don't reward perfection. They reward volume. The algorithm is constantly trying to figure out which hook works best, which angle works, which audience responds best. And if you only give it 2 or 3 shots with your ads, it has almost nothing to work with it. But if you give it 10 or 20 or even 30 variations, it can quickly find a winner and push it through. That's why more creatives equals a better performance. So it's not luck. It's just giving the platform more chances to find what actually works. So here's the fourth thing. And here's what most people are still doing. They find a product, they order a sample, they wait 2 to 3 weeks or even longer. They spend between $200 to $600 making content, and then they launch 2 to 3 ads. Then wait before they even know if the product is gonna work. That's the actual bottleneck. Time and money gets spent before validating. But now imagine doing that across multiple products. You slow everything down. And even worse, you go into testing with almost no creative volume, which means the algorithm can't even do its job properly. But here's the shift. You don't need the sample anymore. That's just the old way. The new way, it's super simple. You create multiple ad creatives first, you test demand quickly, then you order the sample only after the data proves it's worth it. That's it. You flip the entire process. Instead of waiting weeks, you get answers in days. And the tool that makes this possible that I'm using today, it's gonna be Creatify. Let me show you exactly how this works. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you and walk you through step by step on how are we doing all of these video ads. We're gonna go down here and there's gonna be a lot of different formats just depending on the product that you guys are going to be selling. This is going to be our product, by the way, just for an example. So we got to look for something that fits the product as well. We can go through all of the options and just find whichever looks the best. And we're going to do that together. We can actually go here and do physical goods. We can see if this one is a good one. Yeah, this one looks great. So what we're going to do is we're going to download an image from here. We can do a couple images. We can do this one, and then we can do this one as well. So now that we're good with that, we're going to go back. We're going to drop both images right here. We can actually just drop that one. Then for the product name, we're going to add Stage Content Face Cream. So we're going to keep it super simple with the name. And again, this is just an example. You guys can always change the description, the product name, depending on what product you guys have. That's the name. We can just keep this as the description, and you guys can play around with this. Obviously, this is for female. This, I would leave all of this blank. It doesn't really have a big preference at the moment. So we're going to generate the video asking me for product type. So we're going to be health and beauty. So once we have that set in stone, we're going to generate this audio is required. Be like true, then we should be good to go. All right, guys. So we have the final ad ready to go. We're going to give it a watch. Perfect. All right, now that we have this ready to go, we can do download here, or we can launch directly on our platforms. That could be either on your Meta ad account or on your TikTok ad account. You just have to go and connect to the respective platform. And yeah, besides this, we're all set, guys. This is pretty much the process on how to go and create your video ads with just an image. If you have any comments, any questions, let us know down in the comments below. We're happy to answer anything. So to simplify everything, the old way is pretty much where you used to order samples, you wait a couple of weeks, you spend money, you launch a couple ad and you hope it works, and maybe even spend some money on some UGC content creators. But the new way, it's where you create ads instantly, you test faster, then you order the samples after validating. That one shift changes absolutely everything. You're saving time, you're saving money, and you test way more products, which is what actually wins in today's era. Now, if you guys want to try this out, you can get 10 free credits to test Creatify. And if this video helped, like and subscribe. And I'm always breaking down the full process on how dropshipping is evolving, and I'll see you guys in the next one.